Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have another collab for you, and this one is with Brandi at Branskipants, and we are doing a pantry clean out. I really don't have a pantry, I just have the cabinets in my kitchen. I do have a pantry in the back bedroom. I will link that video down below and give you a tour of that one, but right now I'm just going to focus in the kitchen and getting these cabinets cleaned out. I went to the Dollar Tree and got a few things. I don't know if I'll use that or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of my cabinets so I can see what I have and check everything and make sure everything's good and then put it back. I have like 2 cabinets here, 2 cabinets over there, and one above the microwave. And that one above the microwave is annoying because you can't hardly reach anything, and especially you can't reach anything in the back. So I have to go get Doug to come up and get all that stuff out there unless I go get a chair or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. And I also have a little hutch over here that I'll show you as well. I think I'm going to rearrange that and maybe put some of my baking stuff over there. I don't know yet, but it's all kind of cluttered up over there too. So I hope this will inspire you to get some of your kitchen cabinets or your pantry cleaned out as well. So let's get started. In this cabinet right here is just basically stuff in boxes, and I've got crackers and breads and chips, and everything right here is usually where all the chips go, the candy, and now I've got some canned stuff, peanut butter, stuff like that. So I'm going to take everything out of this one and let's see if we can get some kind of system going. I am so excited to be collabing with Brandi at Branskipants. She has some great videos. I love watching her cooking videos. She's a great cook. She also has some grocery hauls, day in the life videos. She just does a little bit of everything, and I have really enjoyed getting to know her. And I hope you'll go check out her channel and like and subscribe and tell her that Ann sent you. I really am glad that she asked me to do this because I am so cluttered, and this was a great way for me to get my cabinets ready for the next phase of my pantry challenge. So go check out her channel. She has a great one. All right, y'all, just looking at this, I'm like, how did this all fit in this small little cabinet? So what I'm going to do is try to put like stuff with like stuff. So I'm going to try, I think I will put these things up first. The croutons, all of the stuff that is in bags that kind of go together. French onion, these Parmesan crisps kind of go with the salad stuff and everything. I've got some cherries here. The stuff for salads, so that's going to kind of go there. And all these old chips, I think I'm going to get rid of. Just kind of nasty. So, like this pizza crust, I'm going to put that here. Something that won't stand up straight like this, and it just falls down in the cabinet. I'm going to put that stuff up here. Like the open bags of chips that are good. I'm going to put those up here because we usually just let them lay here and it's just a big mess. The tortillas won't stand up straight, so I'm going to put those up here as well. I've got another pack, so I need to start using that up. Some corn chips that are open. I've got some pretzels that I need to use up, so I'm just going to put those up here. Almonds, I think I'll set right here. Another bag of chips. Do y'all do that? Do you open like more than one bag and then don't realize it? Alright, one more bag of chips. So those are going to go up there. Go ahead and get my bagels and put that there. Go ahead and leave our marshmallows here. Kind of the snacky stuff, that one won't fit there, so I think I'll put that up here because we don't use that every day. Put kind of like the snack stuff down here. So I'm gonna put that there, and like peanut butter, things that we use often, I will put that here. Kind of like the nuts and cherries and almonds. I'll put that there. Popcorn for snacks, I'll go ahead and put that here. We make popcorn a pretty good bit. And the dry milk, I think I will set that out and put that in the baking part. So here's some caramel rice cakes. Those can go up here as well. That'll fit. It's full. I'm going to put these crackers here with the graham crackers for snack stuff. This is rotini. It's open already, so I'm going to put that in another container and put that with my pastas in the back room. I have a pantry back there, and that's what I'll use it for that. I've got this candy, and I think I'll put that in the back pantry. So now, let's see. These seasoned breadcrumbs, I'll put those up here. Get all my boxes up here. We should put that pasta back there, but I really want to try it, so I want to leave it out here so I can, maybe it'll remind me to make it. Got some dressings there. I have some tea bags here, and I've got a jar. Just take the lid off and put those in here. They're different kind of tea bags, but it doesn't matter. They won't all fit in there, but I'll do something with the rest of them, or maybe even get a bigger jar to put them in. These I don't even know. 23. July of 21, no good. Pretty sure that says 2020, it does. So those two can be gotten rid of, and I'll just set that one here, maybe to remind me to use that lemon one for something, I don't know. Got some grits that I can put that in the back room. I've got an open thing of Ritz crackers, but I'm gonna put that there because Jonah will probably be eating those tomorrow. And I've just got a random bag of ramen. I'll just stick that in there because we eat that as a snack. So I've got the Ritz crackers. I'll put those up in the top. I'll put these up here with the cheese since they're kind of snacks. So I might just put the graham crackers and these cheese crackers up there. So, okay, so we're making progress. I've got a bunch of cake mixes I have got to make. Especially the lemon pound cakes from Aldi. Then I've got another pound cake here, and a yellow and a white cake. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna make this red velvet cake for an upcoming video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that there so it'll remind me. I do have some crackers here, so I'll just set those up there on the top. They do need to be used up. So now that leaves me with that big bag of chips and this bag, so I will put that in the back room as well. Also, I want to put the canned goods, all my canned goods go back there as well. I'll put this cracker up here. And also I have some vegetable dip. I'll put that here because I need to use that up, and I'll be using that probably during the Super Bowl, and my onion dip as well. So, and I do have some M&Ms here. I'll put that where the snacks go. And I have these corn tortillas I don't know what to do with, so I will probably just set those here as well so I can see everything. So that only leaves me the grits that I need to put in the back room, the candy. I'll do something with my rotini. I'll put the cans of the green chilies back there in the back. I'll probably put this out there, and I'll get something to put that in, or put that on the refrigerator. So let's get that done. So it's looking pretty good, making progress. And I did put the tea bags in one of these mason jars. I have a ton of mason jars, so that'll come in handy. But I'm not going to put it up here. I think I'm going to arrange this hutch over here, and I'll show you that in just a second. So now I have this hutch here. I really want to decorate the top of it, and it's got all these jars in here. And I'm not going to keep that there probably, but I've still got my bread box and some flour over here. And I do like that I have all my baking stuff in here, my measuring cups and everything like that, and my grater and all that. So I'm going to keep that there. What I do have down here is just some baking dishes, my 9x13 pans down here, and just some other things. And I think I'm going to move all my baking stuff down here. And I'll move those to the back room because I don't use those pans as much. So I'm going to take everything out, and then I'll start putting the baking stuff in here.
What's on your mind? Seems like you feel it starts to fade out. The diamonds in your eyes.
Well, that got cleaned out, so now I can put all my stuff back. Any kind of glassware that's white, I love it. Got that back here. This pantry, I won that in a giveaway last year, but it's supposed to be bolted into the wall, but I don't know where to put it yet, so I'm just putting that right there. So that'll probably stay here right now, but that looks a whole lot better. Right there. I can start decorating it. And down here, I've got all my baking things, and I've also got like rice and macaroni and things like that. Sugar, just stuff that I need to grab. And I just went ahead and left those pans back there because I got plenty of room now. So that's a win-win for me. All right, this is my spice cabinet. It's got a lot of oils and sugars, salt, things like that. Cooking spray, just a little bit of everything. So I'm going to clean this out. I'm not going to take everything out. I'm not going to take all the spices out. But I'm going to take all the stuff on the top out. And I've got some Lazy Susans that I'm going to try to put some of the oils on there so I can get to it easier.
What's on your mind? Seems like you feel it starts to fade out. The diamonds in your eyes. Do they wanna let go? Wanna let go? Right here and now. We cannot spin around it no more. So let me hear you out. Do you wanna let go? Wanna let go? Kill the silence. Are we meant for each other? Stand and fight it. Say if you wanna let go. Wanna let go.
Okay, I took those Lazy Susans and I put most of the stuff that I use every day on there, with all my oils and salts and sprays and things like that. I don't use vegetable oil as much, so I've just got that stuck in there in case I need it for some reason. And I've got my sugar and shortening and that nutritional yeast, which I don't ever use, but I need to try it. And then I've got my panko breadcrumbs down there. I've just got some spices here. I've got some dehydrated red pepper. I've just got my one salt here. I've also got salt and pepper sitting there, but I got some salt here and all my spices. I've got a spice rack back here. I need to get a couple more to go in the back. I'd probably just need that 2 more racks and I would have more room over here. But for right now, I'm going to leave it like it is. Looks a lot better than it did I did take some of this stuff from the cabinet that I've already got stuff in the refrigerator, or I hadn't opened this yet. It's a horseradish sauce. I've got some spaghetti sauces, some pizza sauces, some raisins and grits. That can go in the back. That way I don't have to have it cluttering up the back. And I also have a box that I've got that I'm going to do another video for you. It's another collab, and we're doing some treats for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to put that there, and I can put that in the back as well. So everything is cleaned out and I can relax. I want to thank Brandi again for hosting. I really enjoyed doing this, and I really needed to do it. So I want to thank her for getting me motivated. And I hope you will like and subscribe to her channel. I will have her video linked below, so be sure you go and like and subscribe. And if you're coming from Brandi's channel, I just wanted to say hey and welcome. My name's Ann, and I hope if you like videos like this, you will like and subscribe and join my YouTube family. I hope you got a little inspiration, and I'll see you guys in the next video.